Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to mine your night tokens. So if you guys have not seen our most recent video, we did a step-by-step tutorial on the scavenger mine, which is live. So what we're going to do now is just do a quick macro update. So it has been 24 hours and it looks like we're earning a little bit. So I want to get into how it's been going on my end. And guys, comment down below, how is it going on your end? So I got in right away. So I've been keeping tabs on this and that's exciting. And the other thing that I've noticed is that I've completed every single challenge. So right now we're in the green. We're not having any issues. So right now there's the potential of throwing a perfect game here. So we could potentially get 504. Right now, I believe we have 42 of 42. So day 2, there's still 6 hours left. So roughly 6 more challenges. So basically every hour, a new challenge gets set up. And then depending on difficulty, you just leave your browser open and you can get in and earn some night tokens, okay? So you're not going to get these right away, but I wanted to give you guys just a quick macro update. So these numbers, I don't know how accurate they are, how it's going to end up being in the end, but from what I've seen, the snapshot is real. So that was updated. That was the first time I saw roughly 90 night tokens. So basically, if I leave this, and by the way, I have a couple computers running, so it doesn't take much. You can do this on an old laptop because I'm doing it right now. And I believe I've done 23 of 23 on that other one as well. So all you have to do is set up a wallet. I recommend a Lace wallet or a Yoroi. So if you guys watch this video, the scavenger mine is live. That is your step-by-step tutorial. And we have a bunch of others. So if you want to make sure you're also on the right website, you guys can go to the link tree. This will be pinned in the comment section below, as well as in the description of every single video on this channel. So you guys just go to Lace if you want to set up a wallet, or just go to phase 2 scavenger mine, and then you're going to go to claim portal and then follow the steps, and that will take you here. So there you're just going to connect your wallet and then just hit accept. So the next challenge starts in 18. So basically, if I stop the session, I don't want to ruin anything, but it shows inactive, you're just going to hit start session. Okay. So before we mess everything up, that's really what I wanted to get into here. So make sure if the browser's open, just start your session and you're ready to go. Okay. That's all we got for you. Comment down below. What is your estimated claim? Let me know how many night tokens you have. And let me know if you have any unsolved challenges. So I believe this will get more difficult as we go. But just to keep things in mind as well, I've been doing video editing. And I'm talking raw footage, 6K quality in DaVinci Resolve, exporting and rendering while this has been working in the background. So absolutely no issue here. If you can though, maybe just close some tabs, let the RAM, keep it open, keep your CPU open for when the tasks may be a little more difficult down the road. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Just want to give you a macro update. We'll see you in the next one.